Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and it's a super coverage by Too Faced. The shade that I have is Chai, and it's a made in Italy. Because it is a multi-purpose concealer, I'm going to use it all over my face. Let's see if I get the right shade. First time trying it, so we are going to see. I have my primer on already. I am using the e.l.f. primer, and it is this one right here. I'll use a brush first, and then I will go in with the sponge, a damp sponge. But this is Chai multi-purpose concealer. I'm using it as my base today. I want to see if I pick the right shade. I pick it online. So again, I look for stuff with yellow in it. Sometimes when I try to find stuff with yellow, it gives me neutral, sometimes a little bit of warm. But this one is saying it has a little yellow in it. So let's see. I love trying these things. I love trying these things. I just noticed, well, not noticed, I forgot I have Super Thanks. YouTube gave me Super Thanks maybe 2-3 months ago. I set it up and I completely forget about it. Super Thanks is if you want to donate something to me, if you want to donate money to me, you can click on the Super Thanks under my video and donate to me. I was like, and I didn't remember I had it there until somebody donated money to me some day ago. And I'm like, oh my God, I forget I have Super Thanks. But this is what Chai concealer is looking like. Are we looking good or what? I think I got the right shade. This is Chai Born This Way multi-purpose concealer. Sculpting concealer. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is with the brush. Now I'm going to use the sponge. So let's see what happened. I just want to take out excess of anything because I have oily skin and I don't want any cakiness of anything. But this went on smooth. It blended really nicely and fast. So with the sponge, we will see how everything and the final look on this, the final finishing will look like. And I did put it everywhere. I put it on my lids, under my eyes, and everywhere. This is looking and feeling good. I did not use a corrector because I don't like using anything extra when I'm doing these first time look to see if I get a match. So you can see what it looks like with just primer. This is looking good and feeling good. Wow. I am back with this Born This Way Chai multi-purpose sculpting concealer. This is so beautiful. Take a look. So nice. I picked the right shade. I know I got the right shade for that. I have not set it yet. I am going to use my Sephora Bake Smoothing Powder, and I am going to set this so we can see. Because I have oily skin, I cannot just walk around like this. This will not last. I mean, before I set it. Now I'm going to set it. Oh, I'm truly loving this. I am truly loving it. Oh, I did a brush. Wow. This is just so nice. This is what my face looked like all set. OMG, I am loving this. I am loving this. Oh my God. I know everybody out there already talked about this, but this is my experience. So I'm talking about it now. Love this. I got this during the Ultra 21 days. And I bought this and I picked chai and it is the right shade. Take a look. And I set it with the Sephora powder. I have the toffee in this powder. Love this powder. This too, take a look at this combo. What do you think? Tell me in the comments what you think about this Born This Way multi-purpose concealer. Do you have this concealer? If you do have it, have you used it or are you using it? If you don't have it, do you plan in getting it? And if not, that is okay. When I do these, it's just to show you what it looks like and what a good product looks like. Let me know in the comments if you're using this or if you have used it before and what was your experience with it. This is my first time with it. And this is first impression, but this is flawless over here. Thank you all again for watching. Always remember you are first. Take a little bit of time every single day to spend some time with your thoughts. Love you plenty. I appreciate you always. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh my God. When I tell you this is pretty, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, love it. Thanks for watching.